Okay, kids.
Yeah. This is what to do and what not to do in different scenarios in life. First off, we're gonna start out with what not to do and what to do with talking to strangers. Hey, little boy, you want some candy?
No, what kind of candy?
Jawbreakers.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's behind my big weight. It's behind my shed. Come on.
Show me around, buddy. Okay. Ah! Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey,
Get off
sexy.
me. Uh-oh.
Hey, little boy, you want some candy?
What kind of candy?
Jawbreakers.
Ah!
Fucking little kid.
Candy, don't leave money out. Get the fuck up. You know who I am?
Fuck, little
Where's your money?
fucking little kid.
Where's your money?
Oh,
Come on.
oh,
Still looking at money.
oh, fucking little kid. Fucking little kid. Oh. Now, little kids, we're gonna teach you why not to run 3 yards when you're running from the cops. They're Bobo! Okay, little boys and girls, Zach's now gonna teach you how to dance and how not to dance in trees. Yeah, that's all, folks.